Chairman Allan Bird says the Special Parliamentary Committee on the 2022 General Elections also want to get people to fully understand elections.
This is the first time we've done an inquiry since independence. For all our elections, there's never been an inquiry, and first time. So we want to not just fix elections, but get people to understand the whole process. Like even for myself, I've taken part in 4 elections.
The chairman was in lay with his deputy Sepik and committee members for the Momase leg of the Special Parliamentary Committee hearing. He says they will be doing a recommendation and will present it in the next parliament sitting to see if some things can be changed in the election processes.
My main focus will be in the recommendations. I will take it to Parliament, hopefully in the next sitting. I want to do it quickly. There's a reason for that. Landi el problem yung sa problem ng elections here. Kami yung mga sabinis, yung nubla sa. I don't want to focus on that. I want to get to the recommendations, take it to Parliament, and as I said, once Parliament adopts it, this committee will oversee the implementation of the recommendations.
He says if there are things that need to be changed, they will have to get laws drafted and have them presented on the floor of Parliament to have them passed for smooth and trouble-free elections in the future.
Then it's our job to get those laws drafted, bring them before Parliament, table them, have them passed. If, for example, if we need to restructure the Electoral Commission, then we will make the recommendations and oversee the restructure of the Electoral Commission.
The committee is currently in lay where they will be having consultation meetings with the Momase provinces of Morobe, Medang, East and West Sepik provinces over a 2-day period. The consultation is in relation to the province's conduct and the hardships and troubles faced in the 2022 general elections and how best these issues be addressed to make the next election a better one. Natasha Ovoy, National EMTV News.